In today's video, we're uncovering the incredible world of Black inventors whose groundbreaking contributions have shaped the way we live, yet often go unnoticed. From pioneering early innovations to driving modern technological revolutions, these visionary minds have faced unimaginable challenges and still managed to create solutions that change the world. Did you know that the traffic light, the gas mask, and even the modern home security system all owe their existence to Black inventors? As we dive into their stories, you'll see how these inventions didn't just revolutionize industries, they transformed everyday life for people everywhere. Join us as we embark on this eye-opening journey, celebrating the ingenuity, resilience, and impact of these unsung heroes. Get ready to be inspired by the innovation and determination that continue to shape our world today. The historical context of Black inventors is marked by significant challenges, including systemic racism, limited access to education, and a lack of resources. Despite these obstacles, many Black inventors have made profound contributions that have shaped innovation and transformed society. Their inventions have not only advanced technology, but have also addressed everyday needs, improving the quality of life for countless individuals. For instance, figures like Garrett Morgan, who invented the three-position traffic signal, and Madam C.J. Walker, a pioneer in the beauty industry, have left indelible marks on their respective fields. Unfortunately, their stories and achievements are often overlooked in mainstream narratives. By shining a light on these key figures, we can appreciate the resilience and creativity that fueled their innovations. Their legacy serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of diversity in innovation and the lasting impact that Black inventors have had on our world, inspiring future generations to continue breaking barriers. Let's take a closer look at some remarkable Black inventors and the groundbreaking innovations that emerged from their creativity. George Washington Carver, renowned for his work with peanuts, developed over 300 products, including flour, soap, and even a type of rubber. His inventions not only promoted sustainable agriculture, but also provided farmers with alternative crops, addressing economic challenges in the South. Another notable figure, Garrett Morgan, invented the three-position traffic signal, which significantly improved road safety by reducing accidents at intersections. His ingenuity in creating a system that allowed for smoother traffic flow addressed the growing urbanization and vehicle congestion of his time. Both inventors exemplify the spirit of innovation, using their talents to solve pressing societal needs. Their work not only showcases their creativity, but also highlights the profound impact that Black inventors have had on technology and everyday life, paving the way for future advancements and inspiring generations to come. Recognizing Black inventors is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of history and innovation. Acknowledging their contributions not only honors their legacy, but also serves as an inspiration for future generations. When young innovators see role models who look like them, it fosters a sense of possibility and encourages them to pursue their own creative ideas. Furthermore, diversity in innovation is essential. It brings together different perspectives and experiences, leading to more comprehensive solutions to societal challenges. By celebrating the rich history of Black inventors, we highlight the importance of inclusivity in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This recognition helps dismantle stereotypes and promotes a more accurate narrative of who contributes to progress. As we explore the achievements of these trailblazers, we encourage viewers to appreciate their impact and understand that innovation thrives when diverse voices are heard and valued. Together, we can ensure that the stories of Black inventors continue to inspire and shape the future. In summary, we've explored the incredible contributions of Black inventors and their profound impact on our world. From George Washington Carver's innovative agricultural solutions to Garrett Morgan's life-saving traffic signal, these inventors have shaped technology and society in ways that often go unrecognized. It's essential to celebrate these hidden heroes, as their stories not only enrich our understanding of history, but also inspire future generations to innovate and create. By acknowledging their achievements, we promote diversity in innovation and encourage a more inclusive narrative in the fields of science and technology. If you found this video enlightening, we invite you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.